welcome back to the channel, and thanks for clicking on the video. Today I got some headlights in for my GMC here. I want to convert them to LEDs. I got the K8 headlight. I spent around, I think it's like 50 for these. So they're all unboxed them so you guys can see what they look like here. You see, I already got put one side in, but that's what the looks like. I went without the driver module this time just to see if that does any better. They look like good quality. They feel like good quality. Only thing I don't like is the fan is open, but I guess we'll see how these do. And there's nothing in the box. That's the only thing that's in the box. So, and these are the 9005 and 9006. As you can see right there's 9006 is marked and 9005 is marked on that one. So right now let me get you guys set up and I will turn them on because I got one side done. So this will be, and then I will do another comparison at night. Because I know the sun right now probably isn't helping matters any. That's low beam. That's high beam. So I'm hoping that, well, as you guys can probably already see just in the daylight, the difference in them. So, and you can't really hear the fans. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So let me get you guys set up here, and I will get right back to you guys. Back set up here, and these GMCs are easy. My driver's side wasn't because one of these bolts right here, are the thing that screws into is stripped. But I'm using a 5 mil to get them out. And the light just slides on out. So you got the wire harness and everything here. So undo that. And see, this one is a 9006. My little housing here is broke. I'm gonna have to get another one. And I'm making sure that because I got the reflectors on the sides, I'm making sure my LEDs line up with the sides, like straight up and down. So that way it actually does what it's supposed to. Oh, somebody messed this one up. Didn't put it in there right. Okay. And one problem I did notice with these is that the wires for the light plug-in and for this plug-in, they are actually reversed. I'm going to have to repin the housing lights on the vehicle so they're right, but for right now, because I don't got the tools to do it, I'm going to just plug them in backwards because that's the way they work. And I do plan on repinning them, and I'll probably do a video on that too. And you take your bolts here. Now be careful not to do these too tight because it will strip out the bushing that it screws into. Somebody on whoever did the light bulbs last in this, that's what happened with the other side. So that's why I have to replace that side. Because it'll just be easier. I've tried getting it out, but I couldn't. Alright, let me get the lights turned on and I'll show you guys the difference. And there's the difference, guys. I can already tell the difference on them. So, okay guys, well, that'll do it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll probably be doing a video, I don't know, because it'll be at night, for adjusting my lights. I don't know if I'll be doing a video on that or not. So that'll do it for this video. I'll do a review after a while of using these lights to let you guys know if they are any good. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and another thing, guys, I forgot. I just sold the mower, so there won't be no content with that riding lawnmower. It did better for me to sell it because I have no use for it. I got it for free, so I did some work to it and everything. Got my money back for it. So, alright, guys, have a good day. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have a good day.